Master the art of revising in writing. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to focus on an essential part of the writing process, revising. When we write, it's not always perfect the first time, and that's okay. That's where revising comes in. This video will guide you through the process and provide some helpful tips on how to do it effectively. Revising is the stage in the writing process where you review what you've written and make changes to improve it. This can mean rearranging sentences, changing words, fixing grammar mistakes, or even rewriting whole sections. Revising is all about making your writing clearer, more engaging, and more effective. Revising is a critical part of the writing process. It allows you to refine your thoughts and ideas, ensuring they're communicated in the best way possible. Not only does it make your writing better, but it also improves your overall English language skills by forcing you to think critically about language use. The process of revising involves several steps. Step 1. Take a break. After you finish your initial draft, take some time away from it. This helps you come back to it with fresh eyes. Step 2. Read your draft out loud. This can help you spot awkward phrasing, run-on sentences, or ideas that don't make sense. Step 3. Look for common errors. These can be grammar, spelling, or punctuation errors. Also, watch out for areas where your writing could be more clear or precise. Step 4. Ask for feedback. Having someone else read your work can be very helpful. They might see mistakes or confusing parts that you've missed. Practicing revising is just as important as understanding the theory behind it. Try writing a short text, then revise it using the steps we've discussed. Remember, practice makes perfect, and it's the best way to improve your writing skills. Revising is a critical skill in writing and an essential part of learning English. It's all about refining your initial draft into something clear, engaging, and effective. Remember, everyone can become a great writer with practice and patience. Keep practicing, keep revising, and your writing skills will continue to grow. We hope this video has given you some useful strategies for revising your work. Keep up the hard work, and see you in the next video.